Looking for a Google TV device that punches way above its price tag? Meet Xiaomi's TV Stick 4K second generation, a tiny streaming stick that outperforms rivals and won't break the bank. Xiaomi has launched its latest compact Google TV device across global markets, offering a sleek, portable streaming experience. Despite its small size, the TV Stick 4K second generation packs a serious punch under the hood, powered by the Amlogic S905X5M chipset, a processor that easily outshines older models and rivals in the same price range. When tested on Geekbench, the scored 1,078 on single-core performance and 2,695 on multi-core, a result identical to its sibling, the Xiaomi Box S 3rd generation and the ON 4K Plus. In contrast, Google TV Streamer 4K scores just 917 and 2,527. That's a noticeable boost in processing power, translating into smoother navigation, faster app launches, and a lag-free streaming experience. The graphics performance is just as impressive. On GFXBench's T-Rex test, the TV Stick 4K scores 1,957, double the Google TV Streamer 4K's score of 1,031. Whether you're streaming 4K movies or playing light games, the S905X5M chipset ensures silky smooth visuals and fewer stutters. Price-wise, this stick is a winner. In the US, Walmart's $29 ON 4K Plus dominates the price-to-performance charts. Globally, Xiaomi's TV Stick 4K second generation retails for about $45, offering identical performance to the ON 4K Plus. It's a compelling choice for those outside the US looking for maximum bang for their buck. Of course, it's not perfect. The TV Stick comes with 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage, enough for most apps but limited for heavy users. If storage is a priority, Xiaomi's Box S 3rd generation offers 32 GB and the same chipset, though at a slightly higher price. For its size, price, and performance, the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K second generation is a standout option in the global streaming market. Compact yet powerful, it proves that great streaming doesn't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're upgrading from older sticks or exploring Google TV for the first time, this little device delivers big results. Want to learn more or grab one for yourself? Check the link in the description and unlock a faster, smoother streaming experience today.